guys, and welcome back to my channel, and you're watching FunsizedStyle. So for today's video, of course, it is an IPSY unboxing, unbagging, whatever you guys like to call this video. And of course, well, at least for the past year and a half, I've been lucky enough to share that this video is basically brought to you by IPSY. They're not sponsoring this video, but they did send me these packages, these boxes, these bags to share with you, to share what the contents of the bags are this month, and I'm really, really grateful to be an IPSY creator. So thank you again to them for this. As always, it is my favorite time of the month. You guys know how I feel about IPSY, so without further ado, we'll just go ahead and get right into this month's IPSY Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. But before we get into my IPSY Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus, they included bonus items for me this month. These are not bonus items that regular IPSY subscribers will receive, I do believe, exclusive to creators, like these bonuses that I would share them with you first. These are the Refreshments Dazzling 5-Blade Razor Kit Pink Bubbly, and I love these Refreshment razor kits. They're really, really nice. Yeah, I'm struggling all this time, and I can just pull it open from the bottom, so sorry, this looks terrible. This one is pink, so, and purple. It is so pretty. Just a really, really great razor kit. Refreshments has other body care products as well, but their razors are just some of my favorite. They're just really great. And I feel like I don't hear a lot of gals talking about these, but I really like them. And I think they need to be chatted about more because they're really great. So this next item I'm so excited about. You guys know how I feel about branded merch. It makes me feel a part of the company and like so cool, and they sent this to me, and these are obviously so exclusive. I just get so excited. They sent me the Pixie Light 2.0, and it's like, I got the little IPSY logo. It's a small camera or beauty light for your smartphone, a tablet, or laptop, which is really, really cool. It comes with a micro USB. I'm hoping it's just like you can charge it and you don't actually need to plug this into your phone, because obviously that doesn't work, so I'm hoping you can just charge it and then flip it wirelessly on your phone. So I'll see how this works, but I'm really excited. I thought this was such a fun accessory to receive, and it's just a really fun extra that they included for creators this month. Okay, so those were the extras, so now going on into my IPSY Glam Bag for the month of June. I love the Glam Bag this month. It's super fun. The yellow and the purple and the pink. Green summer, and then on the side it comes with this little orange zipper, orange slice zipper. With summer, great for the beach. We'll go ahead and get into the contents of the bag. I also wanted to share this month. I love like the bright, fun colors this month. Perfect for summer, I'm all about the bright colors. It's funny because I know there's like no rule, but like for certain seasons I like different colors, and I guess that's like, I don't know, normal, but I know there's like no rule. Like you can like whatever color you want, no matter the season. But summer I love like the bright, and for spring I like the pastels and just like some of the brights as well. And then fall and winter I'm like all about neutrals, like I don't know. The first product that I had to share in my June IPSY Glam Bag is by the brand Bad Habit, and this is the Make Things Up Matcha and Mint Morning Cleanser. I don't love mint or matcha scent product, so I'm not super excited about that at all, so I'll probably pass this along. This is by the brand Bad Habit, and I do love some of their products, but this one in particular I am going to pass along just because I'm not a fan of like matcha or mint scented products. This next product is really interesting. This is by the brand Two of the Gods, and this is the Frozen Iced Rosé Body Scrub. This is what it looks like. Don't really take the time to use extra products like them. It does come on the back. It comes with a 20% off exclusive code, which is really nice. If you did receive this in your glam bag, keep an eye out. If you just flip it over, there's a code. So on the back, if you're into this brand, I've never heard of this brand. I don't know if it's new. I don't know if it's an IPSY thing. I'm not really sure, but this is also a really nice product for travel, because I feel like nicer care, like extra body care products like this, you don't really in like travel friendly packaging, so that's good to keep in mind for summer as well. This product I was like kind of excited about. I love Tarte Cosmetics. You guys know it's one of my all-time favorite brands, but this is the Man Eater Mascara. I've tried like so many Tarte mascara. I don't know. I mean, I like Tarte Cosmetics mascaras, but it just seems like every IPSY Glam Bag there's a Tarte Cosmetics mascara, and I'm complaining, but I guess I kind of am. They're good mascaras. It doesn't seem like something new to get excited about for a subscription service. Especially this Man Eater mascara been out for quite some time, so this is definitely a bit of an older product. In some ways, you can never really go wrong with a mascara, especially when it comes to Tarte, because their products are really, really great. This next product I was so excited about. I don't even know actually how to say this brand. I'm not even going to try, but I'm just going to put the title on the screen here. But it looks like it's a lipstick for Wednesday's Pink. It looks like it's been a little bit since I received a lip product in an IPSY. I'm really excited. I've needed some new lip products. My biggest makeup declutter since becoming a makeup enthusiast, and I had makeup that was so old it's embarrassing to admit, and so I needed some new lip color, so I'm excited. Look how fun this package is too. Like, wow, that is so vibrant and fun, and it even goes with the theme of like the IPSY this month, which is really fun. Ooh, this looks so pretty. Yeah, it's in the shade for Wednesday's Pink. This looks like it's gonna be my shade. Oh, I'm so excited. I would have put that on right now. It's more like a sheen balm, but I love the shade. Like my kind of shade. It's really, really smooth as well. Ooh, I'm excited about this. Like I said, it's been a while since I received a lip product in an IPSY, and this shade in particular, and I'm very, very excited about. The last product in my June 2022 Glam Bag is by the brand Milk Makeup, and I was so excited to see this product in my Glam Bag this month because I love Milk Makeup. It's one of my favorite brands. I just think they have some really great products, and they come out with quite a few new products, I think, and I think this might be one of them. This is the Hydro Grip Primer, so I'll keep you guys posted on this product, but Milk Makeup is one of those brands that I just always get so excited to see in my Glam Bag. So that is everything in my June 2022 IPSY Glam Bag, and I'll be honest, I wasn't super thrilled with this bag. I didn't think it was all that spectacular. I'm really only excited about lip product and the Hydro Grip Primer by Milk Makeup, a little bit with the Tarte Cosmetics mascara, but other than that, I really didn't think that this month's Glam Bag was anything to write super home about, I don't know. I am so excited because this month's Glam Bag Plus, it is just, it's one of the best Glam Bags yet. Glam Bag Pluses yet. So I'm gonna get right into that, and I think that's going to make up for this Glam Bag for sure. Like, sorry IPSY Glam Bag, but move over because IPSY Glam Bag Plus is coming in hot, and there's some good products in it this month, and I'm stoked. I just feel like IPSY has been really stepping it up lately, and I know that sounds weird to say because I didn't like this month's Glam Bag, but like during COVID and everything, I just felt like it was kind of like mediocre, and I get why, because there was not a lot of new makeup launches and things like that. So for the past couple of years, IPSY has been like eh. But like, they really stepped it up lately. Like, can you tell I'm excited about the Glam Bag Plus? Alright, moving on. Because I am so excited overall about the IPSY Glam Bag Plus, actually, let me first show you this month's Glam Bag Plus design. I didn't even show you the bag, so hold on a second. I'm just all over the place because I'm so excited. But here's what the IPSY Glam Bag Plus design looks like this month. I just love the fun, bright colors for summer, and the little popsicles are so cute and so vibrant and fun. Because I'm so excited overall about the IPSY Glam Bag Plus, I am going to start with the product that I'm least excited about so that we can end on a positive note. And that is this product. This is the Triple Antioxidant Face Cream by Dr. Brandt. I know Dr. Brandt's products are really high quality. The ingredient list on this product, you guys, is so long. Like, literally so many ingredients on this product. With skincare, I believe that less is more, and I will be passing this along because there's just so many ingredients in this product that I think probably don't need to be there, but that's just how so many brands are these days. It's the only one that I'm not super excited about, but that's why I wanted to start off with this one first, so that we could, again, end this on a high note. Right. So speaking of keep going on a high note, I'm super excited about this product. This is by the brand HIPDOT, and I'm not really sure where that brand name comes from. It's kind of random. I don't know. Just doesn't seem like a makeup brand to me. I received some makeup brushes, I think, and maybe one other kind of product from this brand, and I really do like this brand a lot. It's a smaller, newer brand. You guys know how I feel about those. I love them. They came out with this mini packet of like mini sponges, and I love these for concealer and whatnot, and you can never have too many of these. They're super great, again, super vibrant, colors for the summer going along with the theme. It's just a really great product for IPSY to include in this month's Glam Bag Plus. The next product I know is very expensive because I've heard of this brand before. It's by the brand Dr. Zenobia, and this is a hormonal dermatology essential hyaluronic acid plus peptide serum. It firms, nourishes, plumps, and it tones the skin. So here's what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and open this. I've heard really good things about Dr. Zenobia products, if it's the brand I'm thinking of, so I'm eager to try this. Ooh, so here's what it looks like. It's very simple, sleek packaging. We love that. It claims to be clinical grade hydration, clinical grade fractionated hyaluronic acid provides deep, nourishing hydration, while a powerful peptide complex helps to visibly firm, plump, and tone skin for a youthful, radiant appearance. Updates to come on this, but this, like, it just feels like a very luxurious, expensive product, and who doesn't love receiving one of those? Am I right? Am I right? Very excited to receive this month. I feel like my IPSY Glam Bag Plus and Glam Bag Plus go by so quickly now because I've done so many of these, so you guys know the drill. It's just fun to go through. The next product we have here is a single makeup brush. I'm trying to figure out what the brand is. It's really odd. It doesn't, oh, here it is. Brand is La Roux. I hope I'm saying that right. I've never heard of it. It's a new brand to me. I don't know if the brand is new, but what the brush looks like. I really like the texture of this. And I don't know, it just feels good to hold, like easy to hold. And I don't know, I like this brush. Simple but effective. You can never have too many eyeshadow brushes. So the last product I wanted to save the best for last. We have some kind of palette here. And of course, all the products in the Glam Bag Plus are full size. Oh, and I'm so glad I saved this for last because it's so good. By one of my favorite brands, Ciate London. And it's a cranberry 9P eyeshadow palette. Oof, I'm so excited. Oh, this is gonna be gorgeous. I need to start playing with color again. I used to do it a lot more, but like every video, I just wear neutral colors. I need to branch out, because it can be a lot of fun. I need to work on it, and I think this palette will. I have other palettes that are colorful, but I think I need to work on it with this palette. Oh my gosh. This is stunning. This is absolutely stunning. The perfect combination of neutrals and colors. Like, it's a colorful palette without it being, like, overbearing. Like, these are stunning. Absolutely stunning. I want to swatch darkest shade. Look at that. So pretty. Oh, the pigmentation is like so good. I'll insert pictures and B-roll and all the things. You guys can see this palette up close, but yeah, we're definitely going to be branching out with this palette. I'm so excited. Like, this is like one of the nicest products I've received in IPSY Glam Bag Plus in a while that I'm like excited about. I told you this month's Glam Bag Plus was good. I knew it was going to be the winner. So that was everything in my IPSY Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus for the month of June 2022. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As you know, IPSY Glam Bag Plus blew it out of the water completely. Super great. It was definitely my favorite bag this month. Let me know what you thought of my IPSY Glam Bag Plus, Glam Bag, and Glam Bag Plus in the comments below. I'll have all the products linked individually, as well as a link where you can subscribe to IPSY if you're interested. It's my favorite time of the month. You guys know how enthusiastic I am about IPSY, so I hope you enjoyed sharing in it with me. Thanks again to IPSY for sending these products my way, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!